In this class, we are going to use InDesign to make a style tile like this. So in this style tile, we are going to try different combinations of colors and the different fonts that you will use in your documents. So before we move on to the actual making of the style tile, I have two things to say. So the first thing, if you are not satisfied with the font already on your computer, you can install new fonts, and there are a lot of free font websites you can choose from. So this is one of the options. And to install the font, you just download it through here, and then you can open the file with the Windows Explorer and double click to install. It's pretty easy. And as you can see, there are different variations of each font. We have bold, italic, light, regular. So if you want all these variations, you need to install them individually. Yeah. But if you only need one size like the regular one, you can just click on this one. The second thing I want to say is some tips on the font choices. So contrast is a good thing for the font choices. We don't want to use two fonts that are very similar. The picture here is a very bad example. They look quite similar but not exactly the same, so it's quite confusing. What we want is a lot of contrast, like these three examples here. We can do the contrast in the line weight, the text size, the text shape, or a combination of them. For example, in the first one, actually only one font is used, but the variation is in the text weight and size. The second one, we can see the shape of the text is different, and also the weight, the line weight. The title font is quite thin, and then the heading font is a little bit thicker, and then the body font is thin again. So that's the contrast we are looking for. Then in the third example, there is the bold font and italic font, and then regular font. So contrast is a good thing. Second is legibility. Like this example here, we can see on the left one, a very curvy or decorative font can be very hard to read, which we don't want, especially when we use the decorative font in a large paragraph. So in your main body font, please use something simple, clean, and easy to read, like this one on the right side. But it is okay to use decorative font sparingly, such as your name or a title. So like this one, you can use it here, but not use this kind of font in a whole paragraph. Okay, now let's start making the style tile. Let's open InDesign and then go to File and New Document to create a new file. So for this style tile, I'm going to create a 5 inches by 5 inches square shape. I'm going to change units to inches and then make the shape 5 inches by 5 inches. And I want you to try two different options. So I'm going to make 2 pages, and then I will uncheck these facing pages. Then let's create.